And also, the nuclear, we don't have access to the nuclear missiles of the US. They're not going to let us use that against, they're not going to let us use that against, look, ito ha, pinapalabas dun sa TV na, challenge these Chinese vessels, for example, yung PCG or Navy, challenge yung Chinese vessels, na ganyan. You challenge if you have the goods to back it up, if you have the firepower to back it up. Otherwise, your threat is an empty threat. Otherwise, and China knows that kasi ang galing nila sa intel. Alam mo yun? So, pwede ba, umasta ayon sa kakayahan? Ganon yung point ko. Umasta ayon sa kakayahan.
Ayun, so ganun ang buhay, okay? Ayan, hello Alyam. Hello Alyam. Hello Alyam. Ayan, teka. Hindi yata niya Hello Alyam. O sige, since hindi nagre-respond si Alyam, kay Captain muna tayo. Hello Captain.
Hi, Miss Joey. Sorry.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me po?
Yes po, very clear.
Hi, first time ko pong mag-join dito. I follow you on YouTube and then, pero nahiya kasi ako. Pero nakakagalit na kasi po, I am really pissed. Like, I'm pissed. Kasi I'm in the government, hindi ko na sasabihin kung saan. You'll probably guess if I tell you my handle sa YouTube. But, ito kasi, I didn't vote for Digong, which was one of my regrets. I didn't vote for him. But he exceeded expectations. Alam mo yung, the thing that the taga Davao say na ang
nawawala si Captain. Ayan, feeling ko pa naman meron siyang bonggang-bonggang sasabihin. Ayan, Captain nawawala.
Itong si Trillanes kasi, na, inaano nga yan siya eh. I mean, he's been, ang tawag dyan, parang dinidisown na siya ng academy eh. Sa pinaggagawa niya, pinagsasabi niya. Yung palang kay Angelo Reyes. And then may audacity siya na mag-rehash ng mga ebidensya niya kuno na mali-mali na nga yung spelling. Tapos like, who would believe this shit? Parang alam mo yun, kahit ako, makagawa ako ng ganyang PowerPoint kung gusto nila. Alam mo yung pag makita ko yan sa daan, putang ina ka talaga, ha, gago ka. Yun yung nanginginig ako sa galit. Kasi napaka-stupido ng tanong nila. Bakit hindi na lang sila gumawa ng listahan ng mga tanong nila tapos pag na-shoot na nila yung question, hindi tanggal, cross off the list. Kasi sinuschool na sila ni Digong doon eh. He's schooling them there in Congress. And then parang hindi pa nahihiya to. Ito pa si Dan Fernandez pala. Itong bago niya na nagmudmud na naman siya ng ayuda doon sa Laguna ba yan? Tapos sasabihin niya, alam niyo, narinig niyo yung Quadcom, di ba? We're doing well, we're doing all this shit. Like, what the fuck? You're not doing shit. You really aren't. Like, so, and yung itong si Bongbong Marcos, na binoto ko, pinaglaban ko pa, yung tanga-tanga ko, I mean, tapos sabi ko pa, oh yeah, windmill. Yeah, he put up windmills in Ilocos Norte. And now I'm thinking, fucking bobo ka talaga. I mean, I feel so, nahiya ako sa sarili ko, na nabudol ako sa putang inang yan. Like, at kung ganyan man, asan na yung drive niya for energy security? Wala. Zero. You'd think that this guy, na yung tatay niya, well, I don't know, I only know what people tell us no, na magaling si FEM despite all the controversy. But at least he had the Bataan nuclear power plant. But that for me, that alone for me was a parang redeeming factor na yan sa akin eh. Kasi it's a big deal, energy security.
Yes.
That's what countries are fighting about. That's why we're in this row with China.
That is your space for progress. Kung gaano ka energy secure ang bansa mo, ganon kalayo ang pwedeng marating ng bansa mo. So,
correct.
Kung yung bansa mo hindi kayo mag-produce ng sapat na enerhiya para makapag-invite ng manufacturers, para magkaroon ng mga business dito na energy intensive, o paano lalago ekonomiya mo? That's how important it is, no? And, it should be number one nga sa lahat ng agenda ng
Yeah, that's why wars are fought. That's why wars are fought now. And that's why Russia and Ukraine and I mean, if people just look at it, it goes beyond, yung a big country bullying a smaller country. Hindi naman yan lang yung rason po. What stupid head of country would go to war just for shits and giggles? I mean, they do it because may sila, they have stake in it because, for example, Russia controls Nord Stream or whatever. Parang ganun ba? And then, ito pa, so isa pa, this leads me to the next one. Sorry, Miss Joey, dami kong points na parang sabog, pero ito kasi, they're pushing us to, BBM is pushing us to the brink of war with his stupid fucking foreign policy. I mean, and wala kaming magawa dito sa kung saan ako sa gobyerno, but to follow this fucking idiot with the, alam mo yung, ito pa, and this is why I know it's politicking, no? Hindi ko sasabihin, but, on TV, they're saying, lalaban tayo sa China, we must stake our claim and all that. But then, doon sa rules of engagement, doon sa rules of kung paano kami dapat magano sa ibang bansa, it says to stand down. It says, and you can see that, di ba? Yung news na naputulan ng daliri yung isang sundalo, na isang SEAL, Navy SEAL. Kasi, nasa rules of engagement yun, na stand down. So, ano ba talaga? You're saying on TV, na lalaban, pero yung orders nyo sa mga sundalo, stand down, boba pala kayo Ibig sabihin, you're just grandstanding there. You're grandstanding there.
May I interrupt you, Miss Captain?
Inosuke, I'll give you your time to shine. Patapusin mo na lang.
Hindi ko, alam mo yun, you're risking these people's lives. And for what exactly? Kahit na hawak natin yan, tapos may ginagawa kayo? May pirman lang ba dyan sa mga isla-isla na yan? May ginagawa kayong explorations? Wala din. So alam mo yun, yung kabulshitan kabulshitan lang talaga. So, and then,
sige, go ahead.
Sige po.
May question sa'yo, Captain, may question si Inosuke sa'yo.
Yes, go ahead po.
Go, Inosuke.
Ano po yan?
Kanina na-interrupt po kasi meron kayong nabanggit na parang the president or the head of state is pushing us.
It's choppy po yung lines.
Okay. Yan po, okay na po. Hello?
Apo. That's better.
Kanina kasi, I just heard na the president, as you said, the president or the head of state is pushing us to a war. No, how is it possible for the head of state to push us in a war? What is the probable cause or what is the root cause of this?
It is possible po because he is the author of our foreign policy. No one else but him. So if he says, go there, do this, make this sort of stand, and wala namang magawa but to follow. Kasi siya nga yung
Inosuke, ang tanatanong mo is paano namin na-derive na gusto ng presidente na
Yeah. Opo.
Yun yung gusto mong itanong, di ba?
Yes po.
Okay, there are so many badges sa ganyang klaseng conclusion. Hindi pa sinasabi ni BBM na tara, let's go to war, ganyan. But he already sending so much feelers na yun yung direction na gusto niyang tahakin. Okay, number one. Like I said, as early as nung pumunta si BBM sa Parliament ng Australia, sinabi niya na sa Australian Parliament that, alam nyo, magkakampi tayo ng World War II. Ganyan. Na dapat moving forward, magkakampi pa rin tayo. Bakit? Inusuka, mag-mute ka muna.
Okay na po.
Okay. Ayan. Ngayon, sana in the future, magkakampi pa rin tayo. Ganyan. Kasi, there is another impending war. Okay? Merong eksaktong word na sinabi si BBM doon na we are facing another war like that of World War II because of the external threats that we have right now. Okay? So, doon pa lang, makikita mo na ang takbo ng utak ni BBM ay papunta ang Pilipinas sa gera. Okay? That's one. Okay? Number two. Okay? Yung kanyang pakikiharap sa issue sa South China Sea na kung saan hine-head-on collision niya ang China. Okay? Always saying na, hindi namin i-give up to, hindi namin ganyan, hindi na kami makikipag-usap sa inyo and things like that, ganon. That is in accordance dun sa policy ng United States para i-confront ang China. Yung China nga, sinasabi na nga sa atin, hoy, Pilipinas, huwag kayo magpagamit sa US. Pag nagpagamit kayo sa US at giniri-giri nyo kami, we have no choice but to act appropriately. And this is not gonna be good. Yun ang sinabi ng Vice President ng China.
Doon sa sinabi ng China.
Joey, if I may interject po.
Go ahead,
sorry. Go ahead. Yeah, kasi he's go to war kasi hindi pa naman umabot yan na declare war. But he's not doing anything to de-escalate the situation. In fact, he's escalating it. Just recently, I think a few days ago, he signed into law yung dalawang yung Philippine Maritime Zone Act and the other one, the Sea Lanes of Communication Act, parang ganun, which is like a reiteration of our sovereignty, of our territory. And to what purpose exactly? Are you just trying to goad the Chinese into a reaction? That's what it's doing, eh. Because
And what is the point of allowing the
Yeah.
typhoon missiles to be here in the Philippines?
Yeah,
May I
that
respond?
that too.
Go ahead, Inosuke.
Kasi in our constitution, the basis of the strategic that the head of state is now doing is based on law.
Ano, Inosuke, Tagalogin mo na lang, hindi ko maintindihan yung English, sorry.
Okay po. Kasi yung ginagawa ng presidente natin is based on our constitution. Constitution Article 1, which is the national territory. And kapag pagsasabatas natin to, nanalo naman po tayo sa UNCLOS. So, that was the basis kung bakit tayo gumagawa po ng batas. Hindi natin in-escalate. Just to show China.
Hindi natin in-escalate, okay. Inosuke, I have a question. What about the presence of typhoon missiles in the Philippines? These are nuclear weapons. What about
Yes, this is to show China that we are not afraid or we can do whatever they want. Parang this is just for the protection for the Philippines. And hindi po escalate.
Can we really protect our country?
Yeah, of course. Kasi nga,
Ms. Joey and Inosuke, I'd like to answer din Inosuke. Kasi parang, I understand where you're coming from. Parang, yes, we do need to, our sovereignty, no? Pero, if you review the UNCLOS, hindi naman din talaga, may tayo dyan, yeah, it's our, pero, hindi natin, we have sovereign rights, hindi sovereignty. Hindi ba yan siya. And also, the nuclear, we don't have access to the nuclear missiles of the US. They're not going to let us use that against, look, ito ha, pinapalabas dun sa TV na, challenge these Chinese vessels. For example, yung PCG or Navy, challenge yung Chinese vessels, na ganyan. You challenge if you have the goods to back it up, if you have the firepower to back it up. Otherwise, your threat is an empty threat. Otherwise, and China knows that kasi ang galing nila sa intel. Alam mo yun? So, pwede ba umasta ayon sa kakayahan? Ganon yung point ko. Umasta ayon sa kakayahan.
doon naman po tayo sa basis ng China.
Wait lang. Let us not let go of certain issues that you raised. Like, for example, yung sinabi mo na nanalo tayo. Ano yung pinanalunan natin? Ano yung pinanalunan natin exactly?
Doon sa karapatan.
Saan tayo nanalo?
Diyan sa UNCLOS.
Kailan tayo nagpunta sa UNCLOS?
Hindi niyo po ba alam yung natin sa UNCLOS diyan sa nung naganap
Alam ko,
na
meron tayong kaso noong 2016, but that is before an arbitral tribunal that is separate and distinct from UNCLOS. Wala tayo
Ma'am Joey, yung arbitral tribunal nga, it doesn't say that we own it. It doesn't say that. It just says that it's neither. Parang alam mo yun, kung basahin nyo, it's online naman eh. It doesn't grant us those islands. It doesn't.
correct.
Please read.
I want to know,
Please read.
Captain, kaya Captain, I want to know exactly kay Inosuke, saan tayo nanalo? Anong body tayo nanalo?
Yun nga po, kasi I can give you
Basics
links.
muna tayo, Inosuke, ha? Basics muna tayo, Inosuke. Kasi ganito, you cannot argue from the point of ignorance, no? First and foremost, ano yung body na nag-handle ng kaso natin? Please answer that. Ano yung body na nag-handle nung kaso na final natin? Is it UNCLOS? Now you cannot answer. See?
it is not in UNCLOS kasi basis natin yan ang karagatan
Basics muna
dun
tayo,
sa
Inosuke. Answer muna, what is the body that handled our case on the South China Sea?
Okay, paki-answer na lang yung question
sagutin
niyo.
mo muna to. Kasi you cannot argue from the point of view of ignorance eh. Napakasimple nito. Did we win before UNCLOS?
Okay. Ang tanong na lang dun sa territorial dispute in the South China Sea, what country has the right in the West Philippine Sea? That is the only question that I want to
The
ask.
decision, ito nga, no,
Okay, pabor sa Pilipinas, not in China. So this is the right that we are fighting.
there's no such thing. You're arguing from the point of ignorance, okay? From the point of view. You cannot talk about this if you do not know the progression of that thing. Okay? This is the problem, Inosuke. Hindi mo alam kung sino ang nag-decide dun sa arbitral tribunal. Okay? That is outside of UNCLOS. Okay? That is outside of UNCLOS. It is an arbitration body. The arbitration body ruled on the issue raised by the Philippines on South China Sea. But it did not rule on sovereignty. It did not list out who has the right and who doesn't have the right over the features included in that decision. Okay? Ang desisyon doon ay yung mga features na tinukoy nyo dyan, yung mga certain features na ni-raise ng Philippines dyan sa arbitration tribunal, okay? Because it is the arbitration tribunal who made that decision in the city. Okay? Okay? It's not an UNCLOS body. It is an arbitration tribunal. Okay? The arbitration tribunal said that it is a fishing ground. Okay? It is a traditional fishing ground. Ibig sabihin, na North Philippines one from the other na hindi maka-access ng mga lugar na yun. Kapag kayong mga fishermen ay mangingisda dyan, hindi pwedeng pigilan ng Pilipinas ang mga Chinese dahil traditional silang nag-fish doon. Hindi rin po pwedeng pigilan ng China ang mga Pilipino na mag-fish doon. Yun po yung decision na yun.
Okay, so exactly.
As to who's right.
Ayun.
Who has exclusive right and sovereignty over the features in question. So, Inosuke, wait lang ha. Do you understand that?
Okay, based on your
Okay.
answers. Okay.
Did you or did you?
Wait. Just wait for the respond.
Yeah, no, that's my question, and you have to answer my question. You're not answering my question. You're asking me to wait.
I just have some question na hindi nyo naman ma-answer. This is the question.
I answered your question already, Inosuke.
You didn't. The question is, you make it clear na how is it possible for China to have claims there?
Anybody can make a claim, Inosuke.
Of course, yung nagpalta ng kaso, sabi mo nga, Miss Joey, sabi mo nga na the China hindi pwedeng i-block ang Filipino fishermen, and Filipino fishermen cannot block Chinese fishermen. So, exactly the point kung bakit tayo na lumalaban, bakit natin pinaglalaban. So, the purpose kung bakit yung presidente natin ay gumagawa ng mga tactical or strategies to show China na hindi tayo nagpapatalo, that is the only option. Kasi madami tayong pag-uusap sa China kasi hindi naman
The reason may fragmented yung mga usapan natin eh. Kasi you try to escape on the arbitral issue. Okay? You try to explain.
Firstly, the original topic
Wait
is
lang, Inosuke.
how is it?
Wait lang. Okay. Bago tayo pumunta
Go back to your original question, Inosuke.
bago tayo pumunta doon sa nire-raise mo, so are you saying that the arbitral tribunal is not bringing anything on the table? Can we agree that you cannot use the arbitral tribunal anymore, the decision of the arbitral tribunal, because we are on the point of defending the features in South China Sea? Is that correct? Kasi hindi po pwede na hindi po pwede na gagawin yung arbitral tribunal pagkatapos laban-laban pa rin yung usapan.
Okay.
It's
So,
not compatible. It's not compatible. So ngayon, before we go to your concerns, to your issue, so are you admitting that we cannot use the arbitral tribunal now because we are talking about defending our claims?
well, in fact, we are using this yung naging basihan din natin kung
So, what are you using it for? Yung question ko sa'yo kanina, what are we using it
this
for?
is exactly the point where we are using the tribunal, yung anong tawag dito, yung
But it doesn't talk about sovereignty, Inosuke. So what are you using it for?
It doesn't talk
give you
about
any right
sovereignty.
as a country. Okay, Inusuke, wait.
So what is the point of view?
Ma'am,
Inusuke.
Ma'am Joy, I think he is referring to the UNCLOS, ma'am.
Wait, wait. The tribunal decided on private rights. Fisherman. It did not talk about the rights of the Philippines as a country. It did not talk about sovereign issue. Do you understand the concept of sovereignty, Inusuke?
Mhm.
You understand? So therefore, since you understand the concept of sovereignty, now you understand that the issue threshed out by the tribunal are issues of private rights and not issues of sovereignty. So ibig sabihin, hindi mo po pwedeng gamitin yan para doon sa issue mo na sovereign issue. Ano yung sovereign issues mo? Pagtanggol ang atin. Ano yung China, ganyan-ganyan. Those are sovereign issues. Okay? So you see my point that you cannot use the tribunal decision, the tribunal award, doon sa issue mo na, yun na yung exactly yung point. Ganyan-ganyan. It doesn't follow. It's a wrong premise altogether.
Okay. Diyan tayo.
So,
Okay.
do we agree now? Do we agree now? Nandun na
Oh, wait
tayo
lang.
sa pagtanggol.
Can we jump to the
I'm
9-line claim? Kasi,
Wait, Inosuke.
No,
I am
don't
now
jump.
ready. I am now ready to go dun sa space ng tanggol-tanggol. Okay, tanggol ng Pilipinas, labanan ng China. I am now ready to go to that space if you are going to admit that you cannot use the arbitration award and look at it on sovereign perspective. Ina-admit mo na ba na hindi
Yes, I admit.
pwedeng gamitin ang
Yes.
arbitration sa sovereign issues?
yes, I
Yes,
admit it.
okay. So wala nang bangkita ng desisyon, ha?
Yes.
Wala nang bangkita ng there's no use for that.
Now,
Sa tanggol-tanggol.
doon naman tayo sa...
Okay, wait lang, Inosuke. Before I go with you, meron gustong sabihin si Queen.
Okay.
Sir, kasi I understand you're using the UNCLOS then as a basis for our sovereignty with regard to the West Philippine Sea. Pero even if we use the UNCLOS kasi sir, we only have the sovereign rights kasi exclusive economic zone lang po yung meron sa West Philippine Sea. So whoever country or whatever country that will overlap the said 200 nautical miles can do an exploration with that said zone. So hindi rin po kasi natin magagamit independently the EEZ or the UNCLOS as a basis din po for our
Okay, because UNCLOS actually, if there are overlapping exclusive economic zone, you are actually directed by the UNCLOS to cooperate.
yes, joint exploration, ma'am. You can do joint exploration.
Correct.
But we don't have sovereignty over the West Philippine Sea, sir. That's what Ma'am Joy and Miss Kathleen po is trying to point out that even if we use either the arbitral or the UNCLOS po, we don't have the sovereignty over the West Philippines. The only sovereign rights po.
So that is why you cannot use it on sovereign issues discussion. Yung ilaban natin ng Pilipinas, magpakamatay tayo dyan or what natin. Natin ng akalayaan ng bansa. Hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yan because the arbitral tribunal award, the South China Sea Arbitration Tribunal, yun yung body na nag-decide dyan sa arbitration na yan. Okay? Yung body na yon, it did not deal with any sovereign issues pagdating dyan sa South China Sea. Okay, now, punta na tayo dun sa tanggol-tanggol. And since we have Captain here, I think mas maganda yung magiging discussion natin. Saka sinasabi mo, Inosuke, yun yung reason. You are fighting for our country for sovereign rights. Yun yung gusto mong tukuyan, di ba? Because it's not a sovereign issue. Di ba? At inadmit mo na sovereign issue, ang issue natin dyan sa South China Sea, not sovereignty. Tama, Inosuke? So,
Yes.
sabi mo,
As I said, this is a sovereign rights for the Philippines. That's why the head of state is now doing as a strategic tactics to protect the Philippines. Yes.
But
Sure.
Ms.
I
Joy
don't
and
see
Inosuke,
it.
if I may add, no, just on a practical sense, kasi if you really read yung arbitral award, it's just going to tell you that this one is a low, parang it's just a rock, or this has 12 nautical miles of territorial sea, or this rock or this reef has ganito ganyan. Hindi siya, it doesn't award anything. No, it doesn't. And in a practical sense, even if they do say that this is in the Philippine EEZ, or are they able to implement it? Are they able to enforce their Wala eh. So it's left to us. It's left to us to do that. But can we do it? Can we really? Are we relying on the US? Because they have honestly, personally, na-experience ko na yan, no? Na they're supposed to be there. We are expecting them, pero no show sila. Wala sila. Ang pinadala lang nila, and then never mind, I will not expound on this, but no show ang US when it comes to pag-critical na. So, ayoko pang kasi, but please,
but it is already known. I mean, there were several
wala tayong maasahan dyan.
Oo, correct. Tama si Captain, no? And,
Exactly.
We've seen this several times that we are in a critical situation at hindi naman tayo tinutukan ng Amerika. Ngayon, what Inosuke wanted to do is for us to use all the country's resources in order to fight for sovereign rights. Sovereign rights is not an issue of sovereignty. Okay? It's not an issue of sovereignty. It's only sovereign rights that he wanted. He wanted all of us to be killed for sovereign rights. Yun yung gustong gawin ni Inosuke. Tama ba, Inosuke?
Mali kayo ng pagkakaintindi. Ang sabi ko, this is the tactics and a strategy of the head of state to protect, because it is his mandate to protect the
China is
Philippines.
doing damage control na. The head of state is doing damage control. The things he did.
Sorry.
Can I speak?
Wait lang, Karen. Last question lang kay Inusuke. How is that strategy protecting the Filipino people?
Okay. Kasi, kung makikita nyo, kasi sabi niyo, we are relying on US. Di ba? Ngayon naman, kapag pupunta naman yung presidente natin with the other countries, we have our, makikipag-ugnayan tayo just to, talk about our sovereign rights, kung ano yung mangyayari, o kaya anong mga posibleng mangyari. This is part.
Inusuke, please do not give us general statement. Give us specific action, specific result from specific action in which this policy is protecting the Filipino people.
Okay. Kung mangyari man yung hindi natin inaasahan, of course, both country, which is the Philippines and China, is escalating. Nagkakaroon ng itong China naman na to, si China naman, gumagawa na ng mga hindi kaaya-ayang mga bagay, kagaya ng panunugat, kagaya nga ng pananakit sa ating mga sundalo. And this exactly the point kung bakit tayo nakikipag-ugnayan, kasi gumagawit na sila ng dahas. So, anong pwede natin gawin?
Ito yung problem, Inusuke, no? Ito yung problem.
Mitch, I have a question for Inusuke. This year, we lost a shawl. So, do you think BBM strategy is effective?
Of course.
We lost a shawl, Inusuke.
We lost effective control already of Sabina.
So,
Hindi lang naman ito, hindi naman under
his
his
policy
administration.
is effective.
The question
So,
is,
That's your
is it
standard.
his under administration?
Let us, sorry Inusuke, sorry si Haya. Let's just, take a step back. Okay. Ito kasi yung problem. Okay? Ito kasi yung problem. If, labas na tayo sa arbitral tribunal, ando na tayo sa tanggol-tanggol. Okay? Ando na tayo sa tanggol-tanggol. So, merong claim ang China, merong claim ang Pilipinas. Tama, Inusuke? Okay. So, may claim ang China, merong claim ang Pilipinas. So, ngayon, syempre, ang Pilipinas, gusto niya, manalo siya sa claim niya. Pero paano tayo mananalo? Okay? Ngayon, ang China, meron din siyang claim. Okay? Of course, syempre, gusto rin niyang manalo. Diba? Gano'n naman pag nag-claim.
Just to clarify, it is traditional claim.
Wait, Inusuke. I'll give you your moment. Okay?
Okay.
Ngayon, pagka kunwari, lahat ng bansa, ganon. Okay? Lahat ng bansa, ganon. Kung yan ang claim ng China, syempre gusto niya manalo. Kung anong claim ng Pilipinas, syempre gusto niya manalo. Kung anong claim ng Malaysia at ng iba pang mga bansa na may iba't ibang claim sa South China Sea, gusto niyan i-assert na yun. Okay? Okay, now, kapag meron kang claim, you are going to protect your claim. Okay? You're going to protect your claim. So ngayon, ang tanong dito, sa buong mundo, merong mga dispute because of certain claims ng territory. I think it's 152 currently. Okay? It is 152 currently. Okay? Itong mga disputes na because of claims ay dahil feeling ng isang bansa, kanya yung bato na yan, feeling ng ibang bansa, kanya rin yung bato na yan. Okay? Sa buong mundo, mayroong mga bansa na nag-aaway-away dahil sa claim. Okay? Ngayon, Inusuke, bakit yung ibang mga bansa na nag-aaway-away dahil sa claim, hindi nag-escalate? Bakit sa Pilipinas nag-escalate into a subtle conversation of war?
Correct yan.
Okay.
So,
Let me respond to that.
Inusuke. Kung napoprotektahan tayo, kung itong paglaban natin sa mga claims natin ay tama, bakit nauuwi yung sa Pilipinas at sa China sa usapang gera? Bakit yung away ng ibang bansa tungkol sa mga claim hindi nauuwi sa usapang gera?
Itong dahilan yan, ma'am. No? Kung makikita mo, yung China, hindi naman mag-i-escalate kung kapag nakadistansya sila eh. Ngayon, kung makikita mo, pumapasok na sila sa exclusive economic zone. Exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas. So, anong gusto mong mangyari?
Hindi lang naman Inusuke ang China ang pumapasok sa exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas. Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, they also,
Yes, oo, pero...
The US.
Yes, pero kung makikita mo
US
nga
na sa
naman,
teritoryo natin mismo.
it is a Chinese militia na pumapasok sa exclusive economic zone of the Philippines. Tapos yung mga panunugat,
Ano
this is
nalaman
an
ng
act
Chinese
of,
militia?
ma'am, we have many sources, news.
Sino yung sources?
Yan, mga news.
Anong
I cannot
official
give you
stand ng
specific,
China?
but
Anong
you
official
yourself,
stand ng China
you
about
yourself,
it?
ma'am,
Anong official stand? Inusuke, Anong official
Ma'am,
statement
excuse me.
China about it?
Ma'am, excuse me. Just give me a time.
No,
because I didn't know.
You're giving us information. We
No,
need
no,
to
no, no.
validate it.
That's exactly the point why I cannot
What
answer
is
your question
the
because you
official
keep
stand
on
of China?
talking and then you are not giving time for me to recognize you, and then
You can just answer.
you are not
Just
giving me
answer.
time to
Just
respond,
answer,
and then you are
Inosuke.
asking questions
Sinong may
about
claim
you.
doon? Sinong may claim? Claim mo o claim ng China? Kasi
Ma'am,
kasi-
ma'am, lumalayo ka po.
No,
We
no,
are,
Inosuke, answer my
ma'am,
question.
ayan, puro ka,
Answer my
answer
question.
your question, but you are
Halika.
not ready to
Okay.
answer my question,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Joey, I have a question for
That is
Inosuke.
that exactly the problem here. Diba? You don't want to jump. You don't want to jump in another topic, but you keep on asking questions. You are jumping. We are in this situation na kailangan
I am
anong
not
dapat natin.
jumping, Inosuke.
Ayan. So you are not answering those questions na sinasabi ko. Ang question
You're acting
is,
like a kid. You're just trying.
the question is, ma'am,
You're asking precisely based on your premise. Pagkatapos sasabihin mo, I am jumping. I am not regressing. I'm just asking you, ano yung source mo?
okay.
Okay,
Ma'am,
the
the
question
question
is,
is,
just answer this question.
ma'am,
Ano
you
yung
are
source
keep
mo na
on,
Chinese militia siya?
you keep on asking questions
Answer
and you
the
are not,
question.
you are,
Ano yung source mo? Ikaw ang nagsabi.
okay,
na Chinese
so
militia
thank
siya.
you, ma'am,
Answer.
thank you for giving me time here. I do not want, you are not
Why
responding.
can
I
you
do not
not
want to
answer?
recognize you anymore.
That is your
for,
claim. That is your claim that Chinese
no,
militia
no, no,
is penetrating our
no, 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 no.
shores.
Gusto ko lang
Alis na,
dito.
alis na.
But thank you.
Inosuke, why can
Relax,
you
relax,
not
ma'am.
answer that? You
Yeah,
said it's coming
relax.
from the news. What news? What is the position of China? That it is Chinese militia. Why can you not answer that? And then you're going to ask me, I am jumping? I am directing the dagger, right? Dun sa statement na sinabi mo that Chinese militia is entering our shores. That is a huge issue.
Saan banda? Saan banda yung
Is that what China claims? Diba? Kasi kung Chinese militia yan, na pumupunta dyan, ay putang ina, gano'n na talaga to.
Ma'am Joey, about the Chinese militia, meron naman talaga near Pag-asa. Meron naman marami. And
That's not the official. You know, it's true. It's true. At tayo, marami
Yeah.
talaga tayong transgression dyan. It's true.
It's
But
true,
there
it's
are-
true, but you keep on defending for Chinese. How dare you, ma'am? How dare you? This is just,
How dare you, Doma?
diba? Alam mo na pala, why keep on
Bawal ba?
defending for Chinese?
Okay, sir.
Are other countries not allowed to go inside an EEC? Eh, andun nga yung US eh, Inosuke.
There's the freedom of
Ma'am, alliance po natin ang US, ma'am. Si China
No,
hindi
EEC
po.
are international waters, Inosuke. You are talking about kung pumasok ba sa sovereign waters natin.
Okay, ganito. Kasi ang claim kasi ni Inosuke, ina-attack na tayo. Yung Chinese militia is there kasi ina-attack tayo. Okay? Ina-attack tayo. Kaya nga tinatanong ko dito ano ba yung claim ng China doon sa Chinese militia na yun? Okay? Because yun yung intelligence natin, na Chinese militia yung nandyan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, talaga ino-operate talaga tayo ng China. Ino-operate talaga tayo ng China. And I think there is no debate on that. But what is the stand of
Okay,
China?
ma'am, if it is in international waters and no one have the right there,
Inosuke, I'm not asking for
bakit ang Chinese ay gumagawa ng bakas?
Wait lang. Let me give
Let
you
Ma'am
the
Joey
floor.
speak
Kasi
first.
tinatanong kita. Pag tinatanong kita, ayaw mo sumagot ng
Kapag
maayos.
tinatanong mo ako, ma'am, you are
Yes, ayaw mo sumagot ng
tatanungin mo din
maayos.
ako. Oh
And
my
then when I
God.
am trying to
Waiting,
explain,
good.
Is that your
hindi ka
basis
nakikinig.
for high intelligence? How is it?
point of order.
Ano gusto mong malaman, Inosuke? O anong gusto mo? The floor is yours, Inosuke. Game.
Ang tanong, ma'am, ito, gusto ko lang, I want you to educate me on this issue.
Oh.
Okay.
But for you
Eh,
to be
ngayon pala,
educated, please open your
excuse me,
mind
ma'am,
first.
let me finish. Sabi nyo nga, it is an international waters. So, any countries can go beyond that waters. Pero, the question is, bakit gumagawa ng dahas ang China sa Philippines? And what is the reason why we don't have to make yung pakikipag-dialogo sa iba't ibang bansa to seek help from
That's
them?
exactly what I'm explaining here, Inosuke. Kasi ayaw mo makinig
Ma'am Joey,
Ayan,
sorry.
mag-isip lang, ma'am.
Inosuke, your questions are not very smart, honestly.
Okay, let's go there.
Ay, you don't have to you don't have to be smart to ask that question, ma'am, for your information.
Inosuke, can we explain now? We are responding to your question.
Yes,
Thank you.
ma'am. Go
Please
on.
mute yourself. Mute mo muna yung sarili mo. Thank you. Okay. So, ang problema ni Inosuke, bakit nandun at sinasaktan tayo ng China? Okay? Bakit ang China nandyan? Okay. At kaya nga dinadirect ko yung conversation Okay? Ino-operate tayo ng China. Okay? Ino-operate tayo ng China Merong mga ano dyan. But what is the official position of China? The official position of China is we talk. We talk bilaterally with them. Are we responding to that? Okay? Are we responding to that? We are not. At tayo, nagre-react tayo doon sa ginagawa ng China na kung ano man yung ginagawa nila, nagre-react tayo na hindi ina-attack tayo ng China, ina-attack tayo ng China. But you forget that they are trying to protect their claim and we are also trying to protect our claim. I am not saying that we abandon our claim. What I am saying is that in protecting our claim, we are not forwarding our interest. Okay? Ngayon, ang trip ng China, siguro, ang trip ng China, ganito, sige, ano yun namin, pipitik-pitikin namin kayo para makipag-usap kayo sa amin. I don't know. I am not China's representative. Kung ano man yung ginagawa nila, kung ano man yung inaano nila, ino-operate nila dyan sa South China Sea, okay? Ginagawa nila yon as an incident of their sovereign duty, okay? In the same way that the Philippines is acting crazily because Bongbong Marcos think that that is the best way to protect our sovereignty, okay? Now, the question is it working? It is not working. If we are going to respond dun sa drama ng China at i-head-on collision natin, ay, pinuputol lang China ang mga daliri ng sundalo natin. So, what do we do? Putulin rin natin yung daliri ng Chinese militia nila or whoever it is there, okay? If we're gonna go that way, is Bongbong Marcos going to protect the sovereignty of the Philippines? Of course not. Wala tayong panalo dyan. Doon nang gagaling si Captain na sinasabi niya na umarte ka na nangaayos sa nakas mo. We cannot do a head-on collision with the Chinese government, with the Chinese as a country. Wala tayong kalaban-laban doon. Ngayon, kasi nasabi mo, anong gagawin natin? Wala tayong gagawin. No. Ang gagawin natin, let us forward our claim. Maintain our claim without losing any effective control. Doon sa natitirang how many? 8 or 9? Because we already lost Sabina Shoal 8 or 9 claims that we have. You know, at this moment, ang labanan, claim. Okay? And at this point, because hindi natin kayang labanan ang China ng head-on, the best decision right now is to maintain those claims. Okay? Na hindi mawala yung mga effective control dun sa mga 9 features. I think it's already 8 or 7 now. Maybe Captain can confirm this. Yung mga effective control natin sa mga features dyan sa South China Sea ay hindi maubos. Ang problema kasi, gusto ninyo makipaggirian. Pag nakipaggirian tayo, kagaya ng ginawa natin dyan sa Ayungin Shoal, mawawalan tayo ng effective control. Matatalo tayo, claim pa lang ang usapan, talo na tayo. Sorry ha, Karen, I'm going to, sorry. Sino ba nauna? Si Karen o si Iyat?
Ako, Miss Joey, pero, okay lang sige kung si Karen, basta related naman dyan sa topic. Kasi yung sasabihin ko, it's a different topic. It's about drug, and it's just a sharing of experience lang naman.
Sige, si Karen muna ha.
Sige po.
Go, Karen.
So, hi po. Regarding po doon sa claim ni Inusuke that BBM is doing tactics or strategy, I think it is not effective kasi po, just like what we've mentioned earlier, yung claim lang po yung meron tayo. Same with China. So, that is the fishing ground that we are claiming.
Sorry Karen ha. Kasi sa totoo lang, yung mga kunwari may militia yung China, kaya nga sabi ko, let us look at it, ano ba yung official stand ng China dyan?
Yes.
Yung official stand, sa totoo lang, kung kunwari, ino-operate tayo ng China, ino-operate rin natin ng China, meron din tayong ginagawang ganun.
Yes, yun. So the best strategy that I think what our president did or should do is to befriend China. Kasi that is just a fishing ground. Hindi naman po sinabi dun, just like what you mentioned po dun sa arbitral claim, na atin yun, yung area na yun. That is just a common fishing ground. May ibang countries din po na nag-fish doon. So, why not befriending China? Effective yung ginawa ni Digong na kinaibigan yung China so that Filipinos can freely fish there without being bullied by Chinese. So what is wrong with what Digong did? Why not continue that one? And the reason also why Digong removed US military, yung post nila dito sa Philippines, it's because it will make a lot of conflict to different countries.
Karen, while PRRD withdraw yung VFA, he also agreed to withdraw the withdrawal. So pinabalik rin ni PRRD yan eventually. Unfortunately. Ayun.
Pwedeng mag-respond?
No, not yet your time.
Ms. Joy, I just want to point out, we have to remember, di ba, yung naging bargaining the PSYOPs that they did in order for PRRD na ipabalik yan. The PSYOPs that the US did. So it's not completely his decision. He was just forced into or pressured into that decision.
Yes, because I think he was forced to do that due to vaccines.
The vaccine, yes.
Yes.
Kaya winidraw yung withdrawal sa pag-alis
Ma'am Joey,
because
Because we need help during
Ma'am Joey.
COVID.
Ayan. Yes, it's
Yun.
captain ba yun?
Ma'am Joey and guys, can I just address yung some militia ni, yung sinabing militia, Chinese militia ni Inosuke. I want to correct something. No? People might think nandyan na yung militia sa shores natin. Okay, yung militia, yes, they're there. They're surrounding the, and really, they outnumber us. Probably 1 to 20. Ganon karami. Okay. But they're not on our shores. They are in the vicinity, which is a good strategy. I mean, let's give it to China. But, we're not being invaded, but
Naku, nawawala ka, captain.
Karen, it is important na.
Nawawala ka.
Do-
Bibigyan kita ng time, please, not your time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wait lang ma'am, dun sa about sa militia na sinasabi nila.
Wait ka muna, Inosuke, not your time. Hindi mo ba naririnig? Yes, captain.
I wanted to address po yung sinasabi ni Inosuke na militia. Kasi hindi sila, they're not on our shores, they're in the vicinity, which is same din sa Coast Guard nila, sa Navy nila, and they outnumber us 1 to 20. So, at least, no? Kasi, parang, and so if you look at it, they're there, near Pag-asa, near, marami, kasi, yung ano din nila, katabi lang din, yung mga mischief reef, katabi lang din ng mga ano natin, parang harapan lang. So parang they're there. Actually, totoo naman yan na nakabantay na lang halos doon. But wala naman silang ginagawa. And if I were a prudent, smart government, that's what I would do as well. If I had the resources, I would position them there. Diba? So, hindi naman nila, they're not moving towards. Yes,
question kasi ang sinasabi ni Inoue, nandiyan na yung militia dyan, so matakot na tayo.
The militia are there, so, but it's the same thing. They're thinking kasi na militia, there's, yung word lang kasi na militia is parang nakakatakot, but mas nakakatakot po yung Coast Guard at Navy nila, na nandun din. What I mean to say is, don't say na militia cannot, if militia would invade us, war talaga yun. Kasi nga, hindi yan sanctioned, militia nga lang, hindi, that's not their official fighting force. Now, kung lusubin tayo ng Navy nila, yun na yun. Ang militia nila, which are nagpapanggap ng mga fishing vessels nila, nandyan lang sa vicinity. Pero hindi mo sasabihin, huwag mo sabihin, kasi dyan na, at ginigera na tayo, kasi hindi. That's not true, Inosuke. That's not true. Okay? Don't spread lies. Don't spread lies. And also, another thing, okay? Let's say on the off chance that we do win this thing with China, let's say, so gigirahin din natin yung Vietnam, gigirahin din natin yung Indonesia, Malaysia, Brunei, and all the other claimants. Is that our next step? So there's no other way but diplomacy. That's what I'm saying. Diplomacy lang ang sagot. Yun lang po. Salamat.
Thank you for clarification, Captain. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa input. Ayun. Kaya sabi ko, kung ino-operate ka ng China, ang tingin ba ng Pilipinas hindi natin ino-operate yung China? So masyadong nagmamalinis. Dapat hindi madrama. Anyway, ito, Inosuke, your time.
Okay. Doon sa sinasabi ni ma'am, as per Inquirer.net, there is a search of Chinese maritime militia ship vicinity of Ayungin Shoal.
Ano gagawin natin?
The Philippine Navy data shared to reporters on Tuesday. So, hindi lang po doon sa sinasabi nilang, hindi naman, dyan lang sa bandang iyan, pero this is Ayungin Shoal, pasok sa exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas.
Ano nga yung exclusive economic zone? What right do we have there?
Ayan. Inaano ko lang po yung sinabi ni Miss Karen na hindi totoo yung pinagsasabi ko na the Chinese militia is not spreading fake news. This is exactly the point why.
Inosuke, ito yung problema kasi pagka hindi well-versed na sa basics eh. Ang problema, kapag ka nandun na siya sa shore natin, territorial shore yung tinutukoy doon. Teritoryo, okay? Teritoryo ba natin yung Ayungin? Wala pa, claim pa lang tayo noon. So at this moment, yung Ayungin ay nasa exclusive economic zone pa. Ang nasa exclusive economic zone ay sovereign rights. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So wag nalilito. Okay? Okay na, klaro?
Okay.
Okay, anyway, meron kayong gustong idagdag? May gusto pang idagdag?
Yun na po.
Uh-huh.
I'm very happy with this discussion po.
Ayun. So anyway, so yun na nga yung usapan dito. Ngayon, because the issue is escalating, nagagalit ang China, nagdadagdag siya ng bantay dun sa South China Sea. Bakit? Kasi hindi maganda yung relasyon natin. Diba? At itong away natin sa China, ang nadagdag nila ng additional Chinese vessel na magbabantay dyan, ganyan-ganyan, bakit mo pa nun ni PRRD, hindi niya nauwi sa ganyan? Diba? Bakit hindi nauwi sa ganyan yan? Ngayon, kung yung policy ni BBM ay nag-work, why is this, this kind of relationship with China that we are having right now is not benefiting us? Hindi naman natatakot ang China. O sabi ninyo, alay natin ang Amerika, nandito yan para ma-deter ang China. Hindi naman sila na-deter. Ikaw na nagsabi ni Suke, surge in Chinese vessel Peninsular sa Ayungin Shoal. O hindi sila natatakot kahit nandiyan pa yung US atin. Okay? And in fact, the Typhoon missiles in the Philippines, yung mga located na Typhoon missiles dito na ayaw tanggalin ng Amerika, had become a regional issue. In fact, ino-question na tayo ng mga kapitbahay natin, what is that doing in your country? So ngayon, is all of this decision of the government, is the direction taken by our government doing us anything better? We are already losing trade ng saging natin. We're losing to Cambodia and Vietnam. Napakalaki na nung nawala sa ating export pagdating sa saging. And this is going to continue. Hindi pa tayo binabanatan ng China ng extensive economic sanction. Wala pa tayo dun. Nagpapadala pala sila ng Chinese vessel dyan. But if we think that we can play this game, edi sige, umubra ka. Makakapagpadala ba tayo dun ng mas marami kaysa sa pinapadala ng China? You think you're helping the Philippines by reacting doon sa ginagawa ng China this way? So paano naging beneficial to sa Pilipino, Inosuke?
And by the way, ma'am, nagkaroon na rin tayo ng usapan with China noon under Duterte administration, pero nauulit pa rin yung mga ganitong klase, yung banggaan dyan sa...
Because
I don't think
the president
so.
is not honoring
I don't think
whatever
that both is not...
then.
Did
So
we
I don't
lose the
think-
shawl during Duterte's time?
Yes po.
No, we don't.
Not
We
looks
didn't.
anything po during Duterte's time.
Please don't spread
The show,
misinformation,
another show.
Inosuke.
Miss Karen, what I have said is, we are experiencing the same yung banggaan po. Hindi ko po sinasabing we are losing the shoal.
Ano yung instance
You are
ng
the one
banggaan na
who are
sinasabi mo?
you are the one who mislead this topic.
No, you're misleading us kasi yun na kinokorek ka nga yung factual basis mo, kinokorek pagkatapos
Your
nagkakaroon.
question po earlier said that BBM is doing strategy. My question is, what strategy? Is it effective? Because we already lose a shoal. And then,
At
what
nagdadagdag ang
happened?
Chinese ng presensya sa South China Sea.
During Duterte's time, may naputol po bang kamay?
Maybe
Di ba wala?
doon sa taas sa
It's
question
because,
na kung is it
ask,
effective.
you can actually ask the fishermen po.
Wait lang ha, it's very clear. During PRRD's time, we never lost a claim. We never lost a claim. Meron ba tayong claim noon, noong panahon ni PRRD, na nawala sa atin yung effective control? Please mention. Siyam lang naman yun eh.
Wala.
Alin sa siyam na claim natin ang nawala, Inosuke?
Ma'am, ang sinasabi ko,
No,
nagkaroon po tayo ng Ma'am,
Ano sinasabi mo, nawala eh. Noong
Ma'am,
panahon ni PRRD.
nandito
Yes,
po
pa
kayo
kanina
sa-
when we were
Yes,
asked
pa
if
kanina.
there's a
Ang sabi
shoal.
ko, the question is, ang sinasabi
you
ko,
said yes
nagkaroon
when
tayo
we
ng
asked if
usapan
there was
with
a
China
shoal.
noon at nangyayari pa rin yung experience na banggaan po. That's it. Huwag niyo pong dagdagan.
Can you please stop muna, Inosuke? Klaruhin lang muna natin. Meron ba tayong nawala sa claim ni PRRD o wala? Please answer that question.
I'm sorry, come again.
Meron ba tayong nawala sa claim natin nung panahon ni PRRD? Meron ba tayong nawala sa mga claim natin o wala?
Wala po akong sinabing may nawalang claims.
So wala ka nang sinasabi. Okay, I'm good na.
Ma'am,
to.
dinadagdagan niyo po yung
Okay,
sinasabi
wait,
niyo.
wait, wait.
Ma'am, ang sinasabi, wait lang po. Ang sinasabi ko, Miss Joey, na
Wait,
po,
Inosuke, wait.
Wait lang, ma'am.
Let's just clarify, okay? So, klaro tayo doon. Walang nawala sa panahon ni PRRD na claim niya. Okay? So, klaro tayo dyan, Inosuke. We're going to hold you accountable sa statement na yan. Okay? So, ngayon, ibabalik ko sa iyo ang mikropono o ano na ngayon yung point mo?
ma'am, ang sinabi ko kanina, nagkaroon po tayo ng usapan with China. Pero nangyayari pa rin nung dati yung banggaan. Hindi ko sinabi na meron
Anong
ka
banggaan
pala
po?
Ano
during
yung
that.
banggaan sa banggaan?
Dinagdagan mo
yung
po.
sinabi mo? Banggaan nung panahon ni PRRD. So can you please tell us ano yung eksaktong banggaan na yun?
Ay ma'am, you can
the banggaan
watch it on TV, you can rewatch, or
So
you
tell
can...
us, kailan nangyari to? 2016,
Hindi,
17,
ikaw may alam.
20, 21, 22?
Ma'am, I
Please tell
cannot
us.
tell you
Ano,
specifically,
specific,
pero...
Inusuke. This is when
Ma'am,
you are being
it doesn't
accused
make you
of
win in this
repressing.
kind of debate or in this kind of topic.
Okay.
Are not winning
Ano
in
yung
this
problema
one.
natin,
Kasi,
no, Inusuke? You're going to make a claim na merong banggaan nung panahon ni PRRD, and when you are asked, you cannot even identify. If you cannot identify, do not mention it. Tapos paghahanapin mo kami. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Hindi mo pwedeng ganun. If you're going to tell us na merong, nangyayari naman yung banggaan na yun nung panahon ni PRRD, bakit nauulit-uli ngayon? Ganyan, you tell us kailan yung banggaan nung panahon ni PRRD, so we can intelligently compare. Ngayon, wag mo kaming paghahanapin kung wala ka. Okay? Oh, the microphone is back to you. Inosuke, o game.